In this video, we will go over how to fix the 403 forbidden error when attempting an execution with an Okta action card in workflows. This can apply to a card such as the Okta Custom API action card, or as shown in this video, the Search System Logs action card. Let's get started. First, we will review the www authenticate header and the error message to identify the missing required scopes. In this example, looking at the search system logs that is returning the 403 forbidden, we can expand the message and view it in the pop-up. Click on Headers. We look at www authenticate, and we can see the error, insufficient scope. And just above that is the actual scope that is missing for this API call. This will be the scope we need to add to the Okta Workflows OAuth application in the admin console. Let's navigate to Applications and Applications. Click on the Okta Workflows OAuth application. Go to the Okta API Scopes tab and scroll down in the list. Find the okta.logs.read and then click Grant. Now with the additional scope granted in the Workflows console, we are going to reauthorize the Okta connector so the updated scopes can be applied. In the Workflows console, go to Connections. Find the Okta connector that you want to reauthorize and click Reauthorize. Enter the Okta domain that is being connected to. For client ID and client secret, we obtain those from the admin console in the Sign On tab from the Okta Workflows OAuth application. Copy the client ID and client secret and paste them into their respective fields in the connection pop-up. Click Reauthorize. Now with the connection reauthorized and includes the updated scopes, we should be able to test the card or the flow and be able to see that the error is no longer there. So if we replay this card from flow history that previously had the 403 forbidden error, you see the data is now returned and we can see that the error is no longer occurring. Thanks for watching this video on how to fix the 403 forbidden error when attempting to execute with an Okta action card in workflows. We resolved this by reviewing the error for the particular missing scope, granted the missing scope in the Okta Workflows OAuth app, and reauthorized the Okta connector. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.